Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Mishawaka, local and long distance movers near me. Moving long distances can be quite stressful, but you don't have to worry about any of the aspects of the move when working with us. We have over 20 years of experience in the field and know what each move needs to be fast, affordable, and secure for your cargo. We will also keep you informed every step of the way, from the reliable quote we provide from the beginning to the breakdown of the cost and the status of our shipment. We also take security very seriously, both during the transport and storage of your items. As tempting as it is to handle your own local residential move, you might find out that it requires plenty of planning and logistics to handle it properly, and that's why it may be helpful to get a professional service. 3 Movers can deliver your belongings door to door in record time without you having to lift a finger for it. We also offer full service moves that include packing and unpacking, but you can also rent the van and pack the items yourself if you want to reduce the total cost. We also offer packing supplies and storage solutions. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Mishawaka moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.